So I know on the 5th gen, leather seating is, leather seating surfaces are leather. But then
Almost all of them.
But I think it's vinyl on the side, so...
Correct. Side bolsters on the exterior of 5th gens are vinyl. There was a mid-production change, yes.
So is it okay to use, just the leather?
Leather and vinyl cleaner and conditioner will do both.
Okay.
And you'll notice on the label it says leather, vinyl, or plastic. The composition is not alkaline. It's a completely neutral-based product, but the cleaner is also enzymatic. So it will actually consume some of the dirt as you pull it. But the key thing with that stuff that I've noticed really well, using it with a microfiber is the key.
Okay.
That microfiber, like I said, the coarser microfiber will do wonders for that. And because you have a 2-part surface, do you have the sports seating option or the regular?
Regular.
You've got the regular, so it's all one piece.
Yeah.
So what ends up happening is on 5th gen, you could do the outside leather bolster and the outside vinyl bolster and the inside leather without issue.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good question, because those of you who have 5th generation, remember there was a mid-production change on that where the side bolster that's on the outside toward the door, that actually they changed that from leather in 97 to 99 and went to vinyl in 2000 and up. So it was a different change. So good point on that. Excellent, excellent, good call.